welcome to our maths activity for today. And today we are going to be making a jungle chart. This is our jungle chart here, and it's just waiting to be filled in. This is our jungle picture today, and we're going to be counting the things in our jungle on this picture and then putting them into our jungle chart. So let me show you how it's going to work. So we're going to look at the first picture on our chart, and it's a flower, a jungle flower. So I'm going to get my pink pen, and then we're going to count how many flowers we can see on our jungle picture. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did we get? 5, that's right. So I'm going to take the number 5 and I'm going to put it into our chart. Now, if we've got 5 flowers, how many squares do you think I need to colour? Remember, we've got 5 flowers. 5 squares, did you get that? Let's have a look. So we're going to count the squares as I colour them in. Now I'm going to do this quite quickly, but you can take a little bit longer with yours. So I've got 1, 2, are you counting with me? 3, 4, 5. And we can check that we've got 5 by looking at the number that's right next to the top one. And what number is that? It's 5, isn't it? So we know we've drawn the right number of squares. So we've got 5 flowers in our jungle picture. Now let's see what's next. I've got a picture of a tiger. Let's see how many tigers we can see in our picture. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3. What did we stop on? We stopped on 3, didn't we? Can you show me 3 fingers like that? That's it, 1, 2, 3. So we've got the number 3 for our tiger. So how many squares do you think we're going to need to colour in for our tiger? Because remember, we found 3. We're going to need to colour in 3 squares. So count with me as I colour them in. 1, 2, 3. And can you remember how we checked? If we'd got 3, we went right across from the top one, and we can see the number 3 is there. So we've got 5 flowers, 3 tigers. What animal is coming next? It's a snake. Let's see how many snakes we can find. Are you ready to count? 1, 2. Oh, how many? 2. Just 2 snakes in our jungle picture. So how many squares will I need to colour for my snake? That's right, just 2. Here we go, count with me. 1, 2. There we go, 2 squares, and we can check by looking to the side to see what our top block comes out at, and it was number 2. So we've got 2 snakes, 2 more things to find. The next one are leaves. There's lots of leaves in the jungle. Let's see how many leaves are in our jungle picture. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going to need 2 hands for this. 5, 2 more, makes 7. Can you do that? 5 and 2 more, makes 7. So I'm going to need to colour in how many squares? 7 squares. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more makes 7. Goodness me, 7 leaves in our jungle. I bet there's lots and lots more in a real jungle. Now, what's our last picture that we need to find? Ribbit, ribbit, our little frogs. Let's count our frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs. We can do that on one hand, can't we? So 4 frogs, and I need to draw 4 squares. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? 4 frogs and 4 squares. Now we can see from looking at our jungle chart which thing we can see the most of in our jungle, because we're going to look at the tallest tower to see which one is there most of. Can you join me? Here we go. It's the leaves. We had the most leaves. Now, which creature did we see the fewest of? We can see it must be the snake, because there was only 2 of them. There we go. Very good, everybody. Thank you for helping me with all that counting. There was a lot to do, wasn't there? So I'm going to put this activity on Twitter, or you can choose to do another one that I've put on Twitter as well. So you can choose mine or the other one. Have fun with that today, everyone. See you later.